Most people get this wrong. They assume retirement planning tools are all the same. But the surprising truth about My Retirement Planner by Edward Jones is that it combines easy-to-use digital planning with access to professional financial advice. The tool allows you to input your income, expenses, savings, and retirement goals. You won't believe what happens next. It generates a personalized retirement roadmap, showing how much you need to save each month and suggesting adjustments to meet your goals. It also factors in inflation, investment growth, and Social Security benefits for realistic projections. One key feature is integration with Edward Jones Advisors. While the planner is digital, you can connect with a licensed professional if you want personalized guidance or investment recommendations. This hybrid approach makes planning accessible for beginners while still providing expert insights for more advanced users. However, it's not perfect. The tool assumes certain investment returns and may not reflect complex financial situations. Also, while using the digital planner is free, full financial advisory services come at a cost, so it's important to understand what's included. In conclusion, My Retirement Planner is an excellent starting point for anyone serious about retirement planning. It provides clear projections, actionable insights, and the option to consult with a professional, making it a solid choice for both beginners and experienced planners. Subscribe for more honest retirement tool reviews to help you secure your financial future.